Well guys, since last week, Dorney Park has done a little bit more footer work, and I've been told that parts from B&M have now started to arrive for Iron Menace. All this and more coming up next on PANJ Thrills. So also, since my last update, the work walls have been extended, now closing off Rita's. So as they begin to develop this area into their, I guess it's like a steampunk area, or like a steel mill. That's what the theme is. But I'm excited to see what it ends up being.
All clear, dispatch. Enjoy your 205-foot drop on Steel Force.
So from my ride on Steel Force, I can definitely see a couple more footers from this week versus last week. So exciting times. Let's head down to the construction site. So you can see a little bit of the footers. I definitely hear a lot of noise from Ghost of the Machine going on. So I believe those parts over there are actually from B&M. Probably for footers or something. Lots of work going down here where the corkscrew and brake run are going to be. Kind of getting a little bit of sneak peek of Ghost in the Machine. I don't think I mentioned this in the last video, but it looks like the maintenance building for Iron Menace has also popped up. You can see all the footers there down here. Yeah, this is really coming together. Hopefully we start seeing track at least arriving soon. Unlike last week, unfortunately, because of the weather, construction is not going on right now, but it's still cool seeing the progress. I believe that footer right there will be for the Immelman, or maybe the station, the brake run. We got some footers for the drop, and they extend back to where the Immelman is going to be. Then the 0G roll coming back into the tilted loop, and the corkscrew, and following the final turn back into the brake run. Unlike Great Adventure, Dorney is getting right on this. So yeah, this will definitely be open by next summer, I'd imagine. Whereas Grey Venture, I have no idea when they're gonna open the Flash. Grey Venture hasn't even put a shovel in the ground compared to this. Alright guys, let's head inside Dorney Park. Well guys, we are back a couple hours later and Haunt is just about to begin. Let's go. Alright, after a couple of rides on Steel Forest, I think we're going to start tonight with Ghost in the Machine. Then they have one called Tourist Trap that I didn't get the chance to do last week. And then one called Blackout up by Talent. So I really want to check that one out. This was such a smart idea to promote their brand new coaster. And I believe that's Hiram McTavish right there on the right, and then a worker of McTavish Steel on the left, two of the scare actors. So unfortunately, unlike Dark Nights, Dorney Park does not allow filming inside the maze, which is why there was no footage last week. So just like last week, I'm just gonna kind of giving you my overall thoughts after the maze. Apparently, according to Hiram McTavish, my hands look soft, and I've never worked a day in my life. It's called I work in pharmaceuticals. Alright guys, I think we're gonna head up to Tourist Trap, I believe it's called. I absolutely love this area themed to the Sleepy Hollow. Such a cool theme. And here we are guys, Tourist Trap, up here by the Ferris wheel. And Chickies and Peas. I have no idea what this one's gonna be like, so I'll have to let you guys know after I get out.
We are so pleased that you could join us here in Chicago.
Okay, so that was kind of like a haunted hotel set in Chicago from the 1892 World's Fair, and like I don't know, it was kind of a little weird, but it was cool. It's one of the better scare mazes here. It had a lot of hotel guests just kind of like screaming and shouting, killing each other, so it was pretty good. I recommend it. Okay, so our last maze is up here by Talent. It's called Blackout. So let's see what this is all about. Okay, so Blackout essentially is exactly what you would think. It is a maze where basically you can't see a single thing. I may have bumped into a scare actor because I'm just trying to, like, there's arrows down the ground so you can kind of see where you're going, but like one of them had to literally turn me in the right direction because I didn't know where to go. But I'm sorry if I bumped into you. All right, I'm gonna head to Talon next. And well guys, that's going to do it from another Iron Menace construction update. I hope you all enjoyed it. It was great getting to see Haunt in its entirety, finally. Yeah, I already brought another shirt to match my Dark Knights shirt. So anyways guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.